Hello, Alice. Hi, Alice.
Alice again.
So, what name do you use in school, Kenchi? Do you use Alice or Kenchi?
Kanchi.
Ah, okay, Kenchi. That's nice. Okay. So, now let's continue our lesson, Kenchi. Okay, so here. Can you read the title, please?
The hospital.
Okay, at the hospital. Okay, so now Kenchi, look and read. Choose the correct words and write them on the lines. Okay, so question number 1, Kenchi. Which pictures show people working?
A nurse, a driver,
A nurse, a driver. What else? That's all?
there are people working.
Yeah, okay, that is correct. The answer is a driver and a nurse. Okay, next one. Which places can you see?
I see a hospital, a playground, the place.
So there is a hospital, a picnic, and what's the answer? Hospital.
Picnic, playground.
Okay.
No. Playground, hospital.
Yes, a playground and a hospital. That's correct. So number 3, which things can you see?
Skate.
Again, things.
Skate.
Skate. Oh, yeah, this is wrong. Yeah, this is wrong because the answer is a skate. Okay, so anyway, I will give this point to you. So you got total of 3 points. Okay, our next one. Did you know? Can you read it, Kenchi, please?
Did you know? Movie and film means the same thing.
I'll continue. Ouch. I'll continue reading.
Movie is used more in American English, and film is used more in British English.
Okay. So movie and film, it has the same meaning, okay, Kanchi? So how about in Vietnam, what term do you use? Do you use movie or film? What do you use in Vietnam? Do you say movie or do you say film?
I think it's movie.
Okay, so you use the word movie.
I think.
Okay, so you use the word movie. So also here in the Philippines, we use the term movie. So we are just the same. We use the term movie because in some countries, they use the term film. Okay, so now Kenchi, let's answer. Example is this. You can take this with you to eat on a trip. Answer is picnic. So number 1, Kenchi, can you read and answer?
Yeah.
Okay.
This person can take you to different places in the car. A driver.
A driver, number 2.
People invite their friend in friend to this on the birthday a party.
A party. Next.
You can see this at a cinema, on a DVD or computer. Movie.
Movie.
Many doctors work at this place. A hospital.
A hospital. Yes. Next one.
Children can run and climb outside here. A playground.
A playground. Okay, next.
This person check your temperature when you are somewhere. A nurse.
Okay, what's that? A nurse. Okay, wait, Kanchi.
6.
Okay, so you got 6 points.
Oh, a dog. Oh.
Yeah, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
A dog.
What?
I hear the dog. I hear the dog sound.
Okay. Oh, that is in the neighbor. Okay, next one, Kenchi. Answer the questions. Okay, number 1, Kenchi. What was the last birthday party that you went to? What was the last birthday party you went to?
7-year-old? Mine?
Yeah, your birthday. Right? That was your last?
In my house.
Okay, that was your
Just
last
in my house.
Birthday party in your house. Okay. So what did you do in your birthday party, Kenchi?
I danced.
You danced? Do you have a lot of visitors, Kenchi?
What?
Do you have a lot of visitors on your birthday? Okay. So how about your friends? Did they come to your house? How many friends did came to your house? No friends? Why? Why? Why no friends attended to your birthday?
I don't like.
You don't like? Okay, so you just had your relatives and your family in your birthday party. Okay, next one. What food and drink? No. What's your favorite movie? What's your favorite movie?
Movie?
Yeah.
I don't know.
I thought your favorite movie is Frozen 2.
Frozen 2.
Yeah, Frozen 2 now. Which famous people are in the movie? Can you tell me the names of the people there?
But Anna, Elsa, and Anna only.
How about the prince?
A friend, 2 friends. I don't remember the name.
I know it. The name is?
One is have like Elsa.
Yeah.
And one like Anna.
Yeah, I know. I know the name of the prince. It's Prince Hans of the Southern Isles. Prince Hans of the Southern Isles, and then Kristoff, right? I know it. You don't know it. Next one, Kenchi. Who else are in the movie? Aside from Elsa, Anna, there's Kristoff and Prince Hans. Who else?
And I don't remember the snowman.
That is Olaf.
I don't remember.
His name is Olaf. And then, how about the reindeer? What's the name of the reindeer?
Reindeer.
What's the name of?
I don't know.
The reindeer's name is Sven. It's Sven. Okay, and the next one. Yeah, I just remembered them. Okay. So
Mom
well.
and Dad.
What?
Mom and Dad.
Yeah.
It's one.
In one, yeah, there's the prince, the queen, and the king.
Yeah.
Okay. How about number 3? What food and drink do you take when you have a picnic?
Goodbye.
Oh, where's Kanchi? She's in the frozen now.
Hello, let's go bye-bye.
Oh, where's Kanchi now? Maybe she's in the house of Elsa and Anna. Oh, there she is. Okay. Oh, she's gone again. Oh, now, number 3. What food and drink do you take when you have a picnic?
Right? I can write.
Okay.
Wait for me. Wait for me, I will write.
Okay. Maybe that's a long answer again because you will write.
Finish.
Teacher Biang Araneta. So, do you eat me?
Yes.
Am I a food? Am I a drink? Oh, so what's your answer?
Teacher Biang Araneta.
Oh, but teacher's not a food.
One more.
Okay, one more. You have to type your answer.
Teacher Biang Araneta and me.
Oh, yeah, we can have picnic together, but we don't have food and drink. What do you think is the food that we're going to bring? And the drink also.
Wait for me, I will write.
Okay, write again. Tom, mom, and dad. Oh, okay, so you want to have picnic with Tom, mom, and dad?
Yes.
Okay, very good.
Tom, mom, and dad.
Oh, we're going to eat Tom, mom, and dad?
Yes.
Okay, next one. What's the name of the nearest hospital in your place?
I don't remember.
Is it big?
Big.
Is it a big hospital?
Yes.
Oh, nice. Okay. So do you
Wait
have...
for me, I will write the answer.
Okay. Oh, what's that? It has a lot of letter I. Oh, very silly. Oh, now, is the hospital big in your place, Kanchi?
Wait for me. I will write.
Right again. Big, 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 big. Okay, very good. The next one. Is someone in your family a dentist, a nurse, or a doctor?
I know.
Who? Is there a dentist, nurse, or doctor?
No, don't have.
You don't have. Okay. So maybe when you grow up, Kenchi, you can be a dentist, a nurse, or a doctor. Do you want to be like them? You don't want to be a doctor?
I like to be a doctor.
Oh, wow. You like to be a doctor. That's good. Because you can help cure people who are sick. Okay, good job, Kanchi. So now, let's answer this one. Choose the best words and complete the sentences. Okay, so you're going to choose your answer from the box. Okay, so number one, Kanchi, read and answer.
Sometimes when not well and your body is cold, you have a temperature.
Okay. Answer is hot. Okay, your body is hot. Well, anyway, that's correct also because when you have a temperature, you feel cold, right? So that's correct also. Next one, number two. Number two, Alice.
When your mom had a bad headache,
Bad headache.
It's a good idea to be very I don't know.
To be very very what? Very so when your mom has a headache, what do you do at home? Are you noisy or are you quiet?
Quiet.
Huh? Are you noisy
Quiet.
or quiet? Very good. The next one, number 3.
Be terrible. Terrible.
B.
No, I said
What's your
terrible.
terrible means it's very bad. Okay. Answer first.
About more.
So what do you think is the first word here? Be blank when you're hungry.
I don't know.
Oh, that is be careful. Be careful be careful when you're hungry. Tony ate 5 chocolates ice cream on Sunday. Then he had a blank stomach ache. What's that?
Terrible.
Very good. Terrible. So you got 5 points. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, next one, Kenchi. What are the 3 wrong words that we haven't used?
Cold.
Cold.
Tired.
Tired.
Dirty.
And dirty. Okay, very good. Cold, tired, and dirty. Now, what can you do, Kenchi, when you're cold?
Go to bed and sleep.
Okay, you must go to bed and sleep, or what do you have to wear?
Go to a hospital.
Okay, very good. You must go to the hospital to have a checkup with the doctor. So here, the answer here is have a hot drink. Okay, so next one, Kenchi. What's a good thing to do when you're tired?
Sleep.
Yeah, that's correct. You must sleep. Next one. What can you do when your hands are dirty?
Wash my head.
Very good. You have to wash your hands so that it will be clean. Okay, so next one here. Look and read. Say yes or no. Okay, number 1, Kenchi. Where are these people?
People.
Where are they?
No.
In the hospital. Very good. Our next one, number 2. How many doctors can you see?
Doctor.
How many doctors can you see?
I see 2.
You see?
I don't know. Doctor, a boy or a girl?
Oh, wait. It's a boy. The doctor is a boy. Oh, how many? How many doctors can you see? Can you count? Oh, Kenchi, are you still there? What happened?
Box. Yellow box. My internet is not work.
Okay. On number 2, Kenchi. How many doctors can you see?
I see 2 doctors, right?
Yes. Let's see. Okay, there are 2 doctors in the picture. Number 3, how many nurses can you see?
I see 2 nurses.
All right, there are 2 nurses too. How many people are sitting down?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 6. No, 1, 2, 3,
Yes,
4.
that's correct. That's correct. You got there. They have 6 people who is sitting down. Okay, so next one, Kenchi. Answer by yes or no. Example, the room where the people are waiting is busy. Answer is yes. Okay, number 1, the doctor who is looking at the baby has got curly hair too.
Yes?
Yes. Number 2, the plant that the boy is holding is very big.
No.
No. Next, the nurse who's wearing glasses is talking to a doctor.
No.
No. The seat, which is between the boy and the baby, has a bag on it.
Yes?
Yes. Next one, you can see the faces of everyone in this room.
No.
Oh, yes. Because some people are facing on the other side. That's why answer is no. Okay, now, Kenchi, write who, where, or that. Okay? So you don't have to write, just tell me your answer. Number 6. The man blank is talking on the phone is sitting down.
The man who is talking the phone is sitting down.
Okay, correct. Number 2.
The comic blank the girl has got in her hand is open.
Oh, what's that blank? The comic.
Comic.
Or what? The comic. Where or that?
Why?
I want to answer the comic. Where? Or
where?
that? Are you sure? Are you sure?
I don't know.
Okay, that's wrong. You change your answer.
That?
Okay, that. That the girl has got in her hands are open. Next one, number 8.
The place where you can buy coffee is closed.
Yes, where is the answer here? Okay, next one, Kenchi. Listen, color, and draw. Okay?
Where's listen?
Yeah, let's find it out. Listen the following instructions and color and draw.
Wait,
okay. So here, color the big plant brown.
Brown?
Yeah. Color the big plant brown.
The leaf is brown too?
Yeah.
Oh.
All of it. All of it is color brown.
Finish.
Also the leaf. You have to color the leaf also.
The leaf is brown?
Mm-hmm. Everything.
Oh, no. Wait for me, I color it. Wait for me.
Okay. Oh, you're fixing your color?
What?
Are you fixing your coloring on how to color the leaves?
What?
Are you fixing or are you choosing the color that you want?
No. color brown.
Okay, I'll finish coloring.
No, I'm not finished. Finish.
Okay, so next one. Bag on the floor, color it pink.
No, pink.
Do you have a color pink?
Yes. Finish.
Okay, very good. Next one. Color the nurse's hat blue.
Tunas.
Okay, tuners, color their hat blue.
Same color.
Yeah, same color.
I like two different colors.
Okay, you can have two. No, you can have two different shades of blue. It can be light blue, dark blue, something like that. Okay, very good, Kanchi. Next one. Draw a big flower on the wall next to the door.
Okay, draw.
Yeah. Draw a big flower on the wall next to the door.
Pick up flower. Flower.
Yeah, can you color it, please?
No.
No, why no?
Okay, I can color.
Yes, please.
Where is your daughter?
My daughter? Oh, where are you? I cannot see you. Wait. What happened?
Why? I can see you.
Yeah, me too. Wait. I cannot see you too. What happened? Wait a minute.
No, I can see you.
You can see me?
Yes.
But I cannot see you. Wait. Oh, the drawing is gone. What happened? Okay, well, anyway, let's skip that one. Let's go to the next color.
I colored the flower already.
Yeah. Okay, so now, find the silent letters, okay? So, Kanchi, I will say some words, and then you have to tell me the silent letter that I have said, okay? So, example number 1, temperature. So what's the silent letter there?
I don't know.
Oh, here. I said temperature. So you didn't hear the letter E sound, right? Because I didn't say temperature. I said temperature. Okay? Next one. How about this one? Stomach. Stomach. What letter didn't you hear?
What?
Stomach. Stomach. Okay, next one. Friends.
What?
Friends.
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 You don't say friend.
Yeah, you don't say, yeah, that's correct. You don't say friends. The correct pronunciation for that is friends. Next one, talk. Talk.
What?
Talk.
One more.
Talk.
I don't know.
Again, talk. Talk. Talk.
L.
Okay. Yes. Next one. Head.
One more.
Head.
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 Head. Head.
Not hair. Not hair. Head. Head. Okay, very good. All right, so you got the correct answer. Oh, here Kanchit says here, find the silent letters. Okay, I will say one more time. Number 1, no. What's the silent letter there? No.
I don't know. I don't know.
Come on, you know it. No.
K.
Okay, next is listen.
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 T.
Okay, next, camera. Camera.
E.
Okay, next one, juice.
I.
Next one, island.
S.
Next one, vegetable.
A.
Again, vegetable.
One more.
Vegetable.
E.
Okay, that's correct. Next, sandwich.
One more.
Sandwich.
G.
Okay, correct. Next, chocolate.
O.
Okay, next, guitar.
I.
Guitar.
One more.
Guitar.
G.
Yeah, guitar.
U.
Okay, correct. Next one. Cupboard.
Come on.
Cupboard.
R.
Okay, that's correct. Ah, no, not R. Cupboard. Board.
D.
No. Cupboard. Board. Board.
O.
No. Board. What word, what letter didn't you hear? Board.
A.
Yes. Good job, Kanchi. A is the silent letter there. Okay, very good, Kanchi. You got 10 points. Good job. Okay, so Kanchi, that's the end of our lesson for today. See you again on Tuesday. Goodbye-bye.
Goodbye-bye.